Time to check out what really looks like the ultimate dual sport. We have a 2011 BMW RG 1200 adventure bike. In nice condition, right under 52,000 miles as of this moment. Let's get that exact miles for you. 51,587 as of this moment. Navi 4 from BMW is in place, as well as saddlebags, a tour pack, ready for on and off-road riding. 1170 cc horizontal opposed, flat, boxer, whatever you want to call them, engine that develops 110 horsepower. Bike also has a 6-speed transmission and just looks super tough. Also available for test rides 7 days a week between Vista, there we go, and Escondido in San Marcos, right off the 78 at North County Indian Motorcycle.